Right, that's another quick video to see how we can use the calculator, the Ti-nspire in particular, to answer the question we can see here on the right. Part one is to find the vertex of that function, and I guess the best possible way would be to graph that function. So let's just press the house button and then go into the new document, or I can choose straight away the blue icon at the bottom left corner with a parabola graph. Funny enough, because we are graphing a parabola. So if I choose that, it's going to take me straight away into the graphing sort of part of the document. And I'm going to press tab because I want to add the function, and I have an x squared, so that's going to be an x squared, and then minus 6x, and finally plus 14, and then hit enter, and that's to give me the graph. I'm not happy with what I see there. I want to see it a little bit more kind of like, in the middle, and perhaps a little bit bigger. So using the button right at the middle with a hand and the cursor, you can pick up the spot that you want from the graph and then press that button and then just grab the graph and drag it to where you want to be seeing the graph. That's a good enough way of sort of kind of like having a quick sort of fix of what you see and what you don't see. Now in that particular question here, I've been asked to calculate the vertex, so I have to analyze the graph through the menu option, menu, number 6, analyze graph, and then I'm going to find the minimum, because the way the graph is being portrayed, let me just go back so you can see, yeah, that point, the vertex, which is like the tip of the parabola, in that form, it's going to be a minimum. If it was the other way around, it would have been a maximum. So menu, analyze graph, we're looking for the minimum. That will provide you with a lower bound. Lower bound is on the left of the vertex. Vertex is somewhere here, so just go anywhere on the left will do, even here, it doesn't matter. And then on the right is going to be the upper bound. It already gives us the solution the moment I sort of cross the vertex or the line of symmetry that goes through 3, right? It's going to be the x equals 3. So if I go a little bit to the right, you already have the answer here. That's it. Then there is an expectation to write it in the vertex form. The value of h is going to be 3, and the value of k is going to be 5. And then if I press tab again, that will provide me with an opportunity to write another function, f2 of x. So let's just go with brackets. What I'm trying to do is I'm attempting to write it into the vertex form and see whether the f2 of x and the f1 of x, they're going to be kind of like identical by being graphed one on top of the other. So let's find out. So put a bracket, then x minus the value of h, which was 3, then close the bracket and square it, and then I need to add plus k, and the k is going to be 5. And then once I hit enter, you see that the f of 1 and the f of 2, they are both graphed on top of the other. That's a nice way of checking whether you kind of remember the vertex form or whether you missed something here. For example, if you just put x plus 3 or x minus 5, then you will see that the graph is not identical. A nice way to check whether the vertex form you putting down as your final answer is indeed your final answer or not. So let's just fix it back into plus k. And here we are. You cannot really see f1 of x. And if I want to see f1 of x, we can untick that button, and now you can see f1, f2 right on top of the other as expected.